How to change your voice in Roblox VC on mobile. There is no in-game voice effect in Roblox, and mobile operating systems block apps from altering the microphone feed. Here is what actually changes your voice on a phone. Make sure voice chat is available, age check completed, account set to 13 or older, and an experience that supports voice. Accept the technical limit. iOS and Android hand Roblox the raw system microphone, so background voice changer apps have no effect in-game. Use a hardware voice changer microphone that plugs into USB-C or Lightning. Select it as the input in your phone settings, and Roblox will use it. Alternatively, use a mixer or audio interface with pitch and format controls, which gives far better quality than a toy voice changer. Test on a voice memo recording first. If the effect is audible in that recording, Roblox will transmit it too. Consider playing on PC instead. There, VoiceMod or Clownfish create a virtual microphone that works with Roblox out of the box. Balance your levels. Heavy pitch shifting plus a loud input creates clipping that other players hear as static. Follow the rules. No impersonating other people, no pretending to be a different age, and no using effects to harass anyone. Tip: Roblox Voice Chat is moderated, and recordings can be reviewed after a report. A funny voice is fine. Using one to deceive or harass will get your account actioned.